Imagine this, a giant space rock hurling through the void with Earth in its sights. It's not sci fi, it's real, and it's called Asteroid 2024 YR4. Discovered just months ago, this so called city killer has scientists buzzing, headlines screaming, and a tiny but growing chance of slamming into a planet in December 2032. So, what's the deal? Should we be worried, or is this just another cosmic close call? Stick around because today we are diving deep into everything you need to know about 2024 YR4, the asteroid that's keeping NASA on its toes. Let's rewind to December 27, 2024. It's just after Christmas, and while most of us were unwrapping gifts or napping off holiday feasts, a telescope in Rio Hato, Chile, part of NASA's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, spotted something unusual, a faint dot moving fast across the sky. That dot? Yes, it's the asteroid 2024 YR4. 2 days earlier, it had zipped past Earth at just 828,000 kilometers, about twice the distance to the moon. Close, but no cigar. Yet, scientists quickly crunched the numbers, and what they found sent shockwaves through the astronomy world. This rock might come back, and next time it could hit us. So, what exactly is this asteroid? Well, it's not some planet destroying monster like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. That beast was 10 kilometers wide. No, this one's smaller, but still scary. Estimates peg it between 40 and 90 meters wide. That's 130 to 300 feet. NASA's calling it a city killer because if it hits, it could unleash energy equal to 8 million tons of TNT. That is 500 times the Hiroshima bomb. Think flattened buildings, shattered windows, and a shockwave felt for miles. But here's the kicker, its exact size is still a mystery. Is it a 40-meter pebble that would break apart in the atmosphere, or a 90-meter wrecking ball? To find out, NASA's turning to the big guns, the James Webb Space Telescope. Starting in March 2025, it will use infrared magic to nail down the size. Why does that matter? Because a bigger rock means a bigger boom and a bigger problem. Now, the $1 million question. Will it hit Earth? When 2024 YR4 was discovered, the odds of it striking us on December 22, 2032 were a slim 1%. But as astronomers gathered more data, those odds started climbing. By early February, it hit 2.3%. Then, on February 18th, NASA's Center for Near Earth Object Studies upped it to a record breaking 3.1%, a 1 in 32 chance. That made it the riskiest asteroid ever tracked for its size. But here's the twist. Just 2 days later, on February 20th, new observations dropped it to 0.3%, a 1 in 360 chance. Talk about a roller coaster. Why the flip flopping though? It's all about the data. Every time we point a telescope at 2024 YR4, we refine its path. Right now, it's rated a 1 on the Torino scale, a tool that measures asteroid threats from 0 to 10. A 1 on the scale means keep an eye on it, but it's not panic time. Experts like Richard Binzel says, who invented the scale, these odds often peak early, then drop to zero as we learn more. Still, if it does hit, NASA's mapped a risk corridor, a path stretching from South America across the Pacific to Africa and South Asia. Cities like Bogota, Lagos, and Mumbai could be in the crosshairs. Okay, let's paint the worst case scenario. If 2024 YR4 hits on December 22, 2032, it would likely explode in the atmosphere, an airburst rather than carving a crater. Think of the 1908 Tunguska event, where a 50-meter rock leveled 1,000 square miles of Siberian forest. 2024 YR4 could do something similar, regional chaos, but not global doom. Over land, it would flatten a 50-kilometer radius. Over water, less damage unless it triggers a tsunami near a coast. But here's the good news, it's not a dinosaur killer. Life on Earth would go on just with a heck of a story to tell. So, can we do anything about it? Absolutely. We've got 7 years to figure this out, and NASA's already got a playbook. Remember the Dark mission in 2022? They smashed a spacecraft into an asteroid and nudged its orbit. Proof we can play cosmic bumper cars. For 2024 YR4, a similar kinetic impactor could launch by 2027, hitting the asteroid by 2028 to shove it off course. Other ideas? Nukes. Yep, like in the movies, or even a gravity tractor, a spacecraft that tucks it away slowly. The UN's on it too, with groups like the International Asteroid Warning Network tracking every move. But here's the catch. We've got until April 2025 to study it from Earth. After that, it will fade from view until 2028. That's why every observation counts and why James Webb's mission is a game changer. So, where do we stand? As of today, February 21, 2025, Asteroid 2024 YR4 is a long shot to hit us, just a 0.3% chance. Most experts bet it will zoom by harmlessly in 2032, another near miss in humanity's cosmic dance with the stars. But if it doesn't, we've got the tech, the time, and the grit to fight back. This isn't the end of the story, it's a front row seat to planetary defense in action. What do you think? Should we be worried or excited? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more information like this. Until next time, keep looking up.